is Mom moving?
We're going. No, eventually sooner.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did she run this?
Yeah. Well, I'm assuming.
Okay.
My wife one day was bored and was told, "Well, here, put this together," and had the picture. Oh, had a pile of sticks and these pictures, and that's how she had to figure out how to put it back together. So hopefully it's put together right.
That's awesome.
But it looks right.
I watched a disassembly video. Of course, theirs was fully run, right? And the video was an hour long.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I get into?
Yeah. I think I saw the same video.
Are you recording?
Yeah,
Okay.
but just recording. Washington State's calling me. Or was calling me. Okay. I'll take that.
Yeah.
She'll leave you, said she did.
I'm gonna guess Washington State doesn't actually know you.
Well, it just says Washington State, so I don't know
It's
if
always
that
so
means-
vague.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'm gonna bring this down here. Just kidding.
And if you need a hand, just holler.
This is just binding. There it goes.
So what do you do?
A couple of things, probably too many. My largest company, so my main is construction.
Okay.
We've got an asset management company that leases equipment, we have a firearms training company, a security company, a 501c3 that connects vets with entrepreneurs and business owners and Baki.
Sounds like it.
I got 10 kids and we homeschool, so
Oh my god.
that everybody's involved in something, and Dad gets to finance and help and build. So
No.
okay, so that's down.
What kind of construction?
Sadly, a lot of those big warehouses, distribution centers.
Yeah.
So I know so many of the farmers.
Oh, they're taken
Original.
out?
Yeah, they sell a farm and a big, ugly warehouse goes in, and like, oh, this was the Moss farm. Oh, this was the Yonker farm. But so often, that is their exit plan, and so you can't begrudge them that. I just hate seeing the history lost. At the same time, I do make money off it, so. Give that wrench.
Not right down.
Am I on it?
Oh, it's over here.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. And yourself?
I fix industrial machinery,
Yeah,
mostly for the printing industry.
very nice.
I like it. People ask me, when are you going to retire? I already am. I'm doing what I like to do,
That's
and I get paid for it.
right.
And if I'm not fixing something for somebody else, I'm at my shop, doing my own thing.
You're assembling and disassembling looms.
Yeah. What else is there to do, you know? She's your daughter-in-law? This is her?
This is my daughter-in-law's sister.
Okay. She's 4. Okay. There's.
Yeah, I'm like, I looked at that and I'm like, do they know what it is, right? Because this is amazing.
Yeah. Well, we've had it on Marketplace for quite a while, and nothing. And then somebody said you should advertise with one of the guilds, and all of a sudden, all kinds of activity.
Oh yeah.
But, I mean, there's a bunch of yarn, there's a bunch of books, there's the paperwork for decades.
The younger chickens are low. Like, I got those two off. I got the nuts in my hand here.
Okay.
I think we can leave the arm attached. I think we take that off. And then leave the two sides as one piece. Can maybe even wrap the legs up and leave them on it. Thank you so much.
Oh, come on now.
Down, yeah, sorry.
Or four of those.
Let's make sure I get you cash before we take it out to the truck, or
Oh yeah.
we get it out there and I forget. I gotta sleep at night. Oh, well. Apparently you can just do this too. We're so carefully holding it in place. Oh, well in this case, let's do this.
Put it back in.
Mm-hmm.
Good idea. Good idea.
So, more modern print machinery or classics?
Define classic.
So, like, are we talking early printing press stuff, or are we talking typeset?
It's not typeset.
Okay.
Not like a letter press. Offset,
Okay.
which is going the way of the dodo,
Yeah.
and a lot of bindery equipment like paper cutters and folders and all that kind of stuff. Oh, that's more than anything else now.
So
Used
yeah.
to be presses, but okay. All right. I have a lot of bungee cords or anything, do you? In your
I
truck?
brought some straps. I brought some painter's tape. I saw in one of the videos and I just wasn't able to grab it or find anything at the office there. They used like cloth strap, which I thought they shredded like a sheet or something. I thought that was a great idea.
Okay.
Does that need to come apart?
No, not part, but it's got to come off.
So,
But I don't want, if I let these go, these are going to fall.
what they did,
Oh,
just tie them off.
here. Let's put them under tension. Go ahead and pull some slack out.
Good. Get through there without hooking anything. And then I'll take some painter's tape and wrap there. We'll just make sure we get it off before it leaves any residue. As my strings are getting lighter and lighter.
And that's about it, right? That was the last one?
I've got. Yep,
Why not?
we're out. Okay.
Okay.
frame stuff?
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. And that basket, the baskets can go. Your mom said that she doesn't want them, but that one's full of stuff that's relevant. You got it?
Oh, I need to.
Or you can leave it for us too.
No, I just need to move the baskets.
Okay.
Okay, so this would be the cross beam.
The whole basket can go.
This is those. That'll go with that. This will have this connects. Thank you. Don't go past that with flip-flops on.
Well, we'll only do it once, and I'll do it again.
So this, I think, is now cleared
That looks
to
clear.
lift out.
Yeah.
We could take the, this part attached to this one. Huh. Except for that.
Why it's not 960? Oh, it's bigger.
Yeah. Oh, we can do the rod and leave that on now.
Oh, we want to do it like that?
Let's do it this way.
What is this? Okay,
Huh?
what is this?
I think that's a spinning thing. I saw that in some of the, something similar in some of the stuff when we looked it up.
That is a woodworker's tool. Kind of like a miniature lathe. Or at least that's how I've seen it used.
And how old is she?
30... 34.
Okay. She into history type stuff? And the history of things? Because
They were, like my kids, they were homeschooled.
Okay.
And so we got to know their family years ago, and then two of our kids kind of re-met later. And I said, look, your family now, so anything you need. She goes, really? Because...
Those suckers written on your forehead right now.
Yeah, I have to own this. But heck, she gets ambitious and makes a tapestry or rug for me out of this. Like, I'll pay for all the material and some time compensation, but never enough for something like that.
Yeah. She spins her own wool.
Oh. And these little doodads?
The beads, she said, can go.
We have a friend in Colorado, just a guy we randomly met while I was up there doing some building, and he owns the only Southwest mill for spinning wool, on a commercial basis.
Okay.
But the equipment, he's got one new piece. It's newly made, but it's all made on plans from 1800s.
Wow.
He's got it in this big old barn, and people ship him literally garbage bags full of wool. And he makes either yarn for them, or mat, or filler material, or whatever they're looking for.
Well, if you have sheep, you gotta shear them.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, there's some cool. So there's some very expensive yarn in there. But the thing I was going through this morning was that some of the paperwork, and there's some old stuff.
The bolt, no, there you go. I had to get my bolts first, so we can straight out. There we go. Okay.
That's funny. Let's go see what's entailed, and then we'll finish taking it apart. Whoop.
I dropped it right here.
It's just right downstairs, okay?
Yeah, I got it. Go ahead, Michael.
I'm gonna, well, it's gonna,
Okay.
Those are gonna drop.
it's tentatively hooked.
Okay.
No, it's good, you're fine. Just need to grab a couple threads. Okay.
And you'll see kind of what I did with the entryway one.
So this is your mom's place.
Yes.
Awesome.
She has not woven anything since I've been alive. I'm 51,
Okay,
so if that tells you anything.
right. Did she at one time, do you think?
She did.
Okay.
Several of the weavings in the house are hers. Yeah, these were the photos.
Yeah.
The 3 photos that I had to put it together.
Yeah. I saw him. I showed him what you used.
Great job there, and very, high-tech directions.
And this would be something that my grandparents made, the pottery part of this.
Okay.
No, I want to keep that
Okay.
because we can make that.
Okay.
Yeah, you can actually use those for doing wool hats too.
Oh.
You just essentially make a tube and it keeps feeding in until you're at the hat size you want.
Uh-oh.
Good, I
I'll
gotta
take
kind
it
of
there.
balance until you do that side. Oh, the nuts over here somewhere?
No, it's bolted here.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave those
Wow.
together, I think.
Yeah. So then we gotta take off the bottom on my side.
Oh, wow.
This can move out though. Oh, I see. Yeah, you gotta take that right up there. Okay.
Yeah.
I got ahead of myself then by
You're keeping them.
doing these.
How long did it take for you to put this together?
I don't know. It was a Thanksgiving.
Good Thanksgiving.
It was after the meal.
It comes apart really fast. I just, you know, can't do these the same way. I'll just do this.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming apart way easier than I expected.
Yeah, I had visions of a camping trip in the backyard.
Yeah, not far from that. I probably have a 9/16 square drive socket in my shop.
usually don't even go in on Fridays, but I went today just so that I could come over here and then end up getting stuck.
Vic, can you grab this and at least get it against the wall? Just so I can, okay, thank you.
Let's take it down.
You can lay it down.
Well, that was fairly painless.
Yeah.
Slightly less than the hour expected.
Easier than a brake job. Last time I did a brake job, I tweaked my back and I ended up in the hospital. Picking up the tires on the truck, actually. It wasn't the brakes, it was the tires. I kind of like the idea of stairs.